Real Men Cry, 32 counts, 4 walls, improver level. This dance, most steps are on single counts, except the shuffles. Weight on the left. Section 1, right foot. Back touch with knee in and snap. Back touch with knee in and snap. Right foot. Back rock, recover. Walk forward, cross. The cross will start making the quarter turn. Section 2, complete the quarter turn, side shuffle. Close left. Quarter jazz box. Cross, quarter back, side. Cross, sweep for 1 count. Section 3, weave. Cross, side, behind, side. Cross rock, recover. Quarter shuffle, side together, quarter forward, facing 3. Section 4, step, pivot, half. Continue making a half shuffle back. Half back, cross, back, facing 3. Reverse rocking chair with sway. Back rock, recover. Forward rock, recover. And start again. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 11 is the last wall. Wall 11 start facing 6 o'clock. Wall 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Making a 3/4 turn back to 12. 5, 6, 7. End of the whole dance.